She's talking about the maniac, Bloody Face. I heard he's going to be admitted here today. Is there any way I could meet him?
You're out of your depth, Miss Lana Banana. You want a story? Write this down.
A girl like you like to dream large. I'd venture you already have Briarcliff in your rearview mirror. You make ambition sound like a sin. No, I'm saying it's dangerous.
What about you? Saving the souls of madmen and killers is a pretty lofty ambition, wouldn't you say?
And you cannot imagine what it took to get here.
I'd love to hear your story someday.
No.
I don't think you and I are destined to meet again, but I do hope you know what you're in for. The loneliness, the heartbreak, the sacrifice you'll face as a woman with a dream on her own.
You don't have any idea what I'm capable of.
Well then, look at you, Miss Lana Banana. Just remember, if you look in the face of evil, evil's gonna look right back at you. Please, after you.
Dominique Nique s'en allait tout simplement, routier, pauvre et chantant. En tout chemin, en tout lieu, il ne parle que du bon Dieu, il ne parle que du bon Dieu. En tout chemin, en tout lieu, il ne parle que du bon Dieu, il ne parle que du